Alright, so I have this friend who got some pretty nasty comments, and he asked around like, how do I block them or how do I remove them from my YouTube? I had no idea, so I had to look around, and I think I found it. It seems to work. So what you should do, you should go to your videos, and in here you should go to, for example, the comments. So if he had typed something really nasty, you can just go to his name and you can just click on action menu here on the three dots, and you could hide user from channel. This makes him unable to comment on anything that you ever do. So that is a way how you can get rid of that guy. Not that guy, he's a nice guy. But okay, now also if you only have like one bad comment, you can go into the same three dots here, and you can just take remove. This is it. This is how you do it, and I thought I might share it. I'll see you next time.